Can an LLC address be a P.O. box? No, most states require an LLC to list a physical street address, not a P.O. box, when you file your articles of organization. This is because your LLC must have a registered agent who can receive legal documents and state notices in person during normal business hours. A P.O. box does not meet that requirement. You can, however, use a P.O. box or virtual mailbox as your mailing address for regular business correspondence. Many business owners choose this option to keep their home address private while still meeting the legal requirement for a physical registered agent address. If you don't want to list your home or office publicly, you can hire a registered agent service. They provide a physical address for your LLC, accept official documents on your behalf, and then forward them to you. This keeps you compliant while protecting your privacy. Zen Business offers registered agent services with a real street address, so you don't have to use your personal address. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.